Good morning, class 1. Children, today I am going to teach you chapter number 8, that is Luna Stays Awake. What is the name of the chapter? Luna Stays Awake. AWAKE, awake. So, first we will see the warm up portion. Okay, please bring your book and open page number 98. Warm up portion. Look at these two pictures. It is the same place. Color one picture so that it looks like daytime. Color the other picture to look like nighttime. When you will see this picture very carefully, then you will find out that both the pictures are same. But what you have to do, you have to color the first picture so that it looks like daytime. So, how the daytime looks? The daytime looks very light, means very colorful, very bright. There are sun in the sky. So you have to color like that. And you have to color the other picture so that it looks like night time. In night time, there are stars in the sky. There is moon in the sky. So what you have to do? You have to color the first picture so that it looks like daytime, and you have to color the other picture so that it looks like nighttime. Clear? Now come to page number 99. At night we sleep, but bats stay awake. Luna is a curious bat. She wants to know how morning looks. So she sleeps in the night and wakes up at dawn. The sky is pink and beautiful. Wow! Soon the sun rises and the sky becomes yellow. The sky is so beautiful. So, this story is about Luna. And children, Luna is a bat. Mainly, this story is about a bat. Bat is a creature, okay? Bat is a creature. So, Luna is a bat, and as we know, when we all are sleeping in night, bats used to stay awake. Means जब हम लोग रात में सो जाते हैं तो बैट रात में जगे रहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट लूना हु इज अ बैट एंड हु स्टेज अवेक एट नाइट. बट सी इज वेरी क्यूरियस. क्यूरियस मीन्स उसको बहुत जानने का इच्छा था. she wants to know that how morning looks. As we know, she is sleeping in the morning, so she wants to know how the morning looks. Okay, then what she did, she sleeps in the night. As she used to stay awake in the night, but she wants to know how the morning looks. So what she did, she sleeps in the night and wakes up at early morning. वो क्या करती है, रात में सो जाती है. And as we know, she wants to know how the morning looks. So she wake up early in the morning. Okay, dawn means early morning. When she wakes up in the early morning, then she saw that the sky is very beautiful. It looks very beautiful and it is pink. The sky is pink and beautiful. Then she said, wow, the sky is looking very beautiful and it is pink in color. Soon the sun rises, the sky becomes yellow. Then what she saw, that as the sun rises, the sky becomes yellow. Okay, and again she said, wow, the sky is so beautiful. Now come to the next page, page number 100. 1 minute. Okay. Suddenly, Luna hears a bird sing. Wow! The bird flies past. It keeps singing. Thank you for the lovely song. Suddenly, the sky becomes grey. It starts to rain. But the sun still shines. The rain stops. A rainbow fills the sky with color. Wow! Look at that beautiful rainbow. Then what happened? A bird is singing near the Luna. Luna hears a bird singing. Okay. Then she said to bird that thank you for the lovely song. After some times the sky becomes grey because it is time for raining. It is going to rain. But the sun is still shining in the sky. When the rain stops, then Luna saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Okay, beautiful rainbow in the sky. Then she said, wow, look at that beautiful rainbow. So, what are the different things that Luna saw in the morning? She saw the sky. In the early morning, she saw that the sky is pink and very beautiful. When the sun rises, the sky becomes yellow. Okay. Then after some time, she hears a bird singing. Okay. The one bird was singing past Luna. Then Luna said thank you to the bird. After some time, the sky becomes grey because it starts going to be rain. बारिश होने वाला था तो sky का color grey हो गया. When the rain stops, then Luna saw a rainbow in the sky. And she said, wow, look at the beautiful rainbow. When we say wow, जब हमें कोई चीज़ बहुत अच्छा लगता है, then we say wow. Like that, Luna is saying wow always. Okay. Whenever she is looking anything in the morning, then she say wow. Now come to page number 101. Luna flies back to her tree. She watches as the sun sets and the moon comes up. The daytime is full of colors. Now, but night is the best. I can see a beautiful stars. Wow. Luna is excited. She doesn't sleep all night long. Then, when Luna flies back to her tree, she watches how the sun sets and the moon comes up. She said, the daytime is full of colors. I can see the different colors of sky. Sometimes it is pink, sometimes it is yellow, sometimes it is grey. I also saw a rainbow, but the night is best because I can see the beautiful stars in the sky. Okay, what she said? Yes, she said that yes, daytime is full of colors, but night is best because I can see the beautiful stars in the sky. Then Luna is very excited. Excited means she was very happy. Okay, and she doesn't sleep all night long. Okay, so this story is about Luna, who is a bat, who is a curious bat. Means she wants to know how the daytime looks. Okay, as she is sleeping in daytime, but one day she thought to see how the daytime looks. वो सोची कि मुझे देखना चाहिए कि डे टाइम कैसा लगता है. ओके, शी एंजॉय द मॉर्निंग टाइम, बट वट शी सेड इन द लास्ट दैट नाइट इज बेस्ट बिकॉज I can see the beautiful stars in the sky. Okay, I hope you all have understood the chapter. So your homework is you have to do this warm up portion in your copy. You have to do the warm up portion in your copy. Okay, children. Thank you and have a nice day.